Hello students, today we will study classification of IC engine, that is how the internal combustion engines are classified. Combustion, also known as burning, is the basic chemical process of releasing energy from a fuel and air mixture. In an internal combustion engine, the ignition and combustion of the fuel occurs within the engine itself. The engine then partially converts the energy from the combustion to work. The engine consists of a fixed cylinder and a moving piston. The expanding combustion gases push the piston, which in turn rotates the crankshaft. Ultimately, through a system of gears in the powertrain, this motion drives the vehicle's wheels. According to the nature of a thermodynamics, there are three types of IC engine. First, Otto cycle, that is constant volume. Second, constant pressure or diesel cycle, which is present in diesel engine. Third, dual cycle. According to the working of cycle, there are two types: 4-stroke cycle engine, in which suction, compression, power and exhaust is completed in 2 revolutions of crank or 4 strokes of piston, which you can clearly see in first picture. In 2-stroke engine, the suction and exhaust strokes are eliminated and cycle is completed in only 1 revolution of crank, and we get 1 power stroke in 1 revolution of crank. According to the fuel supply, there are 3 types. First, carburetor engine, in which air and fuel mixture is prepared in carburetor and charge is supplied to cylinder. Second, air injection engine, in which the fuel is supplied under pressure to the engine cylinder using compressed air. Third, airless or solid injection, in which fuel is injected by the pump. According to the method of ignition, there are 2 types: spark ignition, that is SI engine, and second, compression ignition, that is CI engine. In SI engine, air fuel mixture, which is supplied by carburetor, is ignited by producing spark. That's why it is called as spark ignition. In compression ignition engine, air is compressed to a higher pressure and fuel is sprayed in combustion chamber at the end of compression stroke. Thus, the mixture of air and fuel is ignited without producing spark, which is diesel engine. According to the arrangement of cylinder, there are 5 types. Vertical engine. In this type of engine, cylinder is vertical in position. Horizontal engine. In this type of engine is horizontal in position. Radial engine, in which cylinders are placed radially and equally spaced around the common crankshaft, which you can see in the picture. In V engine, 2 cylinders are arranged at an angle utilizing a common crankshaft, which is also shown in picture. In opposed cylinder engine, which is in the third picture, the cylinders are arranged in opposite sides of a common crankshaft. According to the number of cylinders, there are 2 types: single cylinder and multi-cylinder. In single cylinder engine, there is only 1 cylinder and piston, whereas in multiple cylinders, there is more than 1 cylinder and piston arrangement. According to the type of cooling system, there are two types, air-cooled engine and water-cooled engine. In air-cooled engine, engine is cooled with the help of air, where water-cooled engine is cooled with the help of water jackets around the cylinder. According to the type of lubrication system, there are three types, wet sump lubrication, dry sump lubrication and pressure lubrication. According to the speed of engine, there are three types, low speed engine, high speed engine and medium speed engine. In low speed engine, the speed of engine is low and power is high. High speed engine and medium speed engine are classified according to the speeds. According to the field of application, there are five types. Stationary engine, in which the engine is kept stationary, which you can see inside the picture. A stationary engine is an engine whose framework does not move. They are used to drive immobile equipment such as pumps, generator, mills or factory machinery. Second, automotive engine, which are present in automobiles. Marine engine, which are present and used in marine. Aircraft engine and locomotive engine. Locomotive engines, which are used in rail transport vehicle that provides the motive power of a train. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.